Hello guys, welcome to Peter Nyabohanse YouTube channel. Today I want to take you one-on-one where we usually bet here in the village. I'll show you where we bet both men and female, but it's not at the same place but the same liver. We bet men are betting on their side and women bet on their side, but I'll not show you people betting, but I'll show you where we usually bet and where we fetch drinking water. Come with me guys. But before that, how to share, you subscribe, share and you comment. If I'm wrong, you tell me guys, kindly please. Yes guys, we're heading to our homely village. This is our bridge. Yeah, this is here we're crossing here. Kwani siko chuna nangota habari manchika kunywa. Eh. Tia tutire kuigoro han. Guys. Yeah. How people lives in the village areas. Today I want to show you where people fetch drinking water. Yeah. In the village we have a place where people take drinking waters. Yeah. Here's the place. There is very clean water here. Yeah. This is where people fetch drinking water. This is the place where people fetch drinking water. Yeah. It's not that good, but it's a very clean water. This is where water flow to. Yeah. I'll start a project to build that place. Yeah guys, so that it can be a very good place whereby people can fetch water for drinking. Here is where we fetch water, drinking water. You see they put it there, you see there. Yeah guys, they put some stones there so that it can prevent that sand from falling down there. Let me show you guys. There you see they have put some trees so that it can prevent that sand to fall inside that water. If I can have some money, I can decorate this place and build here and put some stairs here. You see, let me show you guys. Here, you see there is water there. So if I can get some money, I can put here a step and another step. You see here, I can decorate this lever so that I can put this village in a somehow in a very good class, so that they can fetch a very clean water, you know. That's my opinion, and I am very sure God will help me one day, so that I can be able to do that thing what have they decided to do. Just a matter of income and subscribers. They have not subscribed my channel well, but let me hope so. One day it can be, for God will, it can be. Let me hope so, guys. Yeah. Let me continue taking a look of our village. Yeah, guys. Village life. Very tough, guys. Very tough and sweet. You know, villagers are just careless, but we live a very good life in the village. We bathe in a river. Jana, mambo? Umetoka kuoga? Okay. Sawa. Acha nifike kwenda hapa. This is a bathing river. Here is a bathing place whereby people do bath and wash their clothes. Here is a very good place of bathing and washing clothes. Yeah, guys, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel and let's share what we have in common. Yeah. Here, guys, here is the place that we used to bathe. But they have wrote no bathing here. So if a person come and right there, it usually means you don't have to bathe here. Yeah, here we used to bathe here, but due that a person have come and right there, means they don't want us to bathe there. So we have decided to shift that place. That's why we have decided to come. Where mko uchi? Yeah. here, guys. Here's where we bet. Yeah, guys. Most here is where we bet and fish. Inside here we have mudfish, yeah, and other things. Yeah, guys. Welcome. Just welcome to my channel. Let's share all of the things you have to tell me. You have to tell me so that I can know what to put and post in this village. I'm a village traveler. My name is Peter Nyabuhansi. Yeah, I'm from Nyabuhansi. Yeah, guys. Yeah.